Hey, what's up you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a run GUI. So first you take my model, link in the description. Take this model. As you can see, I already own it. And then open the toolbox, it's going to be in home. And then go here in the inventory in my models. So yeah, just click on this and then read everything it says under Component Starter GUI. And you can delete this. And yeah, that is basically everything you have to do, as you can see. So now let's test the game. As you can see, I'm not doing anything. Click on run, it says walk. And as you can see, I'm running. And then when you click on walk, this happens. You just walk. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click like and subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, goodbye.